Here's a quick demo of how to do a drop-down list. First thing is you want your heading for your list of choices, and then your choices. So to make this into a data table properly, you just go Control T, and it will convert it to a data table that has a heading. And the beauty of that is you can manipulate the data, like you can add lists to the list really easily, and it'll automatically stay formatted. If I copy down, everything's formatted, and it's all part of that list, which is called Table 7. And you can rename that if you like. So the beauty of that is also you can make it into a drop-down. So on any sheet in your file, you just have to go to Data. You choose the Data Validation drop-down, Data Validation, and instead of any value, say I want it to be from a list. Then you select your list. Or you can use range names as well, say equal in the range name. I don't want to include the heading. And OK. So now I see my drop-down list here to make my choices. And you can copy that down, and all your cells where you put that will have a drop-down list. You can delete the data, and now you have your drop-down list to make choices. Now the beauty of having it from a table, if I add choices, you'll see they automatically add to the drop-down, add or remove. And if I sort the list, now when I look, you see it shows up sorted the way I want it, or however you want to sort your drop-down list. And that's it. I can copy that onto another sheet, copy another location, and I have just delete and make it blank, and you can have your drop-down list the way you want it. Easy peasy. Hope you enjoyed that, and to learn more, there's a link here. I'll put that, it's on my YouTube channel.